A protective put is a strategy used by stock owners to limit their potential losses if the market suddenly takes a downturn. Think of this strategy like an insurance policy for your stocks. You pay a small fee to protect against a large drop in value. Most option contracts cover 100 shares of stock. This scale is important when calculating the total cost of your protection. First, you hold the stock. Then, you buy a put option. This gives you the right to sell your shares at a specific price. While a stop-loss order is free, it might not execute at your price during a crash. A protective put guarantees that price regardless. If the stock price plummets, the protective put keeps your portfolio value higher than it would be if you held the stock alone. Always remember that the premium you pay for the put option reduces your total profit if the stock price goes up instead of down. Options involve risks and aren't for everyone. Research carefully before placing trades. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more finance basics.